Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Travis back again here at Big Boy Toy Reviews, and today we got an unboxing. So this is a small unboxing uh, amongst many that'll be coming here in the next week. I got so much stuff coming. If I did like one big unboxing, it would just take too long. I know I've did like really big unboxings before, but they just take too long. So I'm just gonna kind of go with the flow, and how my packages come is how I'm going to unbox them, unless it's a really small one. So this particular one, let me see, I'll be right back. Let me see how much it is, or the price of everything in this box, because I know I spent the pretty penny on getting this delivered. So get out my handy dandy laptop right here. And so this is from Hobbylink Japan. And so let's see what we got here. $802. Thought it was going to be more than that, but I guess that's fine. So let's take a look at what we got here. Now, I usually video these anyway, because anything that comes out broken in here, I want to be able to hit up Hobbylink Japan, which is where this came from, and let them know, hey, I need a replacement because this is broken, or I want a refund. So let's get it out. So I only have 7 things in here, so this is only 7. If 7 is a lot to somebody, then I guess so, but 7 things that equal $800, I guess probably what, $110 or something. No, maybe $112, $115 of item. Again, they always give you these books with items and stuff in it. I might go through that later. All right, so first off, I told you I was going to keep getting these things, and I actually, for some reason, didn't put all of them in this box, and I should have. But we have, if I can get all this stuff. Actually, let me go ahead and do this one first. We got the Eradicator from Mafex. So definitely gonna have a review up for this guy. Got the Eradicator there. Then we have, so this is I think this is a Hasuki, or this is either a Hasuki, I think this is Hasuki. I think Hasuki and Pocket Art are the same thing. So we got Hasuki Pocket Art. This girl's name is Machine Fiona. So we got that one. Here we go. So this is some disappointment. I am ready for disappointment. We got Bring Arts Yuffie from Final Fantasy VII. We're gonna see about these figures. I said I was gonna keep collecting these. I'm getting them all. Despite how terrible they have been so far. I am getting them all. We got a lot of these in this box. We got the Bring Arts Red 13. Ugh, all right. I'm not looking forward to any of these reviews. Yeah, we have the Bring Arts Aerith. So we'll see about that one. Then we have the Bring Arts Tifa. Now, I've actually heard good things about Tifa, but we'll see. Oh, and then we got the best thing, hopefully, in this box. Crazy Noisy Candy. No pictures at all on the box. They do have an 18 plus warning on it though, so that's interesting. But I will put a picture of the character like right here. No, I'll put it, where's the camera? I'll put it over here somewhere. So what she's supposed to be, or who she's supposed to be. I haven't seen, well, I actually don't watch that many reviewers. I got like 1 or 2 reviewers that I watch on a steady basis. I haven't seen them review this. So I'm looking forward to taking a look at her. She might be the first review coming out. So that was the 7 things that are in this box. Hopefully I got some other stuff coming tomorrow. It's going to be between Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, probably all this week. I got another shipment coming from Japan, which is from Hobby Link Japan. I'm looking on my computer really quick. Let me see. That's going to have 16 products in it. And let's see how much this one. Oh, this one comes out to $1,300 plus. So between these two, we got a little bit over. We got about $2,100 worth of items coming from Hobby Link Japan, which is surprising. I thought it would be more than that, but I thought the price would be higher than that. But I got that coming. I got some stuff coming from BBTS, Hobby Genkai. I would say probably I got about somewhere close to $3,000 worth of things coming in this week. So we'll be nice and loaded up for reviews. But anyway, don't need to make this any longer than it already is. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, peace.